Ladies and gentlemen, as we now move towards the presidential address of this international conference, it is my distinct privilege and honor to introduce our esteemed chief guest and the presiding dignitary of today's inaugural session, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Barkatullah University, Bhopal, Professor Vivek Sharma, sir. With over 36 plus years of distinguished service in higher education, Dr. Sharma, sir, is an accomplished academician, administrator, and management educator whose leadership has significantly contributed to academic excellence, institutional development, and the advancement of management education in India. His visionary leadership and commitment to quality education has earned him immense respect among academicians, researchers, policymakers, and students. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge welcome to our chief guest of the day, Professor Vivek Sharma, sir.
Sri Narendra Rawtani ji, Chairman Chaitanya Shiksha Samiti, Dr. Amarjit Singh Khalsa ji, Group Director of this institute, distinguished keynote speakers, Professor Weaver from Vancouver Iceland University and Professor Paul from Kelly University, guest of honor, Professor Vijay Kumar from Delhi University, industry leaders, directors of different institutes, academicians, researchers, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. It is a matter of great pleasure to be present at the second international conference organized by a group of institutions on the theme Indian Economy Gig Model Powered by Artificial Intelligence Way Ahead. At the outset, I congratulate the entire IPER family for organizing a conference on a subject that is both timely and transformative. IPER has consistently contributed to the quality education, industry engagement, innovation, and rich research-driven learning, and this conference is another reflection of that commitment. Friends, we are living in an era where technology is reshaping every aspect of life. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we work, learn, innovate, and do business. At the same time, the gig economy is creating new opportunities for employment and economic participation. Together, these two forces are defining the future of work. The question before us is not whether AI will impact jobs. The real question is whether we can equip our youth with skills, adaptability, and mindset needed to thrive in this changing world. This is precisely where the vision of National Education Policy 2020 becomes highly relevant. NEP emphasizes multidisciplinary education, skill development, critical thinking, and innovation. Its vision is not merely to create degree holders, but to create skilled, innovative, and responsible citizens. India is uniquely positioned to lead this transformation. We have one of the world's youngest population. If we successfully align education, technology, and industry, India can emerge as a global leader in the AI-driven economy. I am especially pleased to acknowledge the presence of our distinguished keynote speakers, Professor Weaver and Professor Paul, whose international perspective will enrich today's deliberation. I also extend my warm greetings to our guest of honor, Professor Kumar Bijoy from Delhi University. I am particularly happy that this conference brings together distinguished academicians, researchers, industry leaders, and students. Such dialogue is essential because of the future will be shaped through strong collaboration between academia, industry, and policymakers. I once again congratulate IPER group of institutions, Chaitanya Shiksha Samiti, and all the organizers for this excellent initiative. I would like to leave you with a simple thought. The future will not belong to those who merely use technology. It will belong to those who use technology to create value for society. With these words, I extend my best wishes for the success of this conference. Thank you. Jai Hind.